Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If the egg sinks, it is fresh. If it tilts upwards or even floats, it is old. This is because as an egg ages, the small air pocket inside it grows larger as water is released and replaced by air. If the air pocket becomes large enough, the egg may float. 12 April 2017.
Take our lead.
You can't tell if an egg has salmonella just by looking at it. The bacteria can be present inside an egg as well as on the shell. Cooking food thoroughly can kill salmonella. Be aware that runny, poached, or soft eggs aren't fully cooked, even if they are delicious. 29 November 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Eggs can be dangerous, but still smell perfectly fine. However, if your nose detects even the slightest hint of a suspicious odor, it's not worth taking the chance of cooking with them. In addition to the possibility of getting sick, the spoiled egg could ruin the flavor of whatever you are baking.
Take our lead.
7 to 10 minutes. For a hard-boiled egg, start the egg in cold water and bring up to the boil. Once the water is gently boiling, set the timer for between 7 to 10 minutes depending on how well cooked you like your eggs. The longer you boil the egg, the firmer it will be.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.